What if I told you? You could get flagship features for under $500 in 2025. Meet the Xperia 10 Mark VII. We're diving deep into whether Sony pulled it off. Stay tuned. If you're into tech and gaming gear, hit subscribe. Today we've got the new Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII, Sony's fresh mid-range push with some bold changes. New design, new camera layout, and some flagship touches. But does it deliver? Let's break it down. First up, the numbers. 6.1-inch OLED display, Full HD Plus resolution, 1080x2340, and 120Hz refresh rate, which is rare in this price tier. Under the hood, Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset paired with 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage is standard. Expandable via microSD 2, up to 2TB according to leaks. Battery. A solid 5000 mAh pack promised to last, Sony claims 2 days. Camera. Rear dual setup with a 50MP main plus 13MP ultra wide. Front 8MP selfie. Design and durability. IP65/68 water and dust resistance, 3.5mm headphone jack and microSD slot, features you often lose in cheaper phones. Price. Roughly €449 per £399, approximately equals US $500 in Europe. That's a really promising sheet for the mid-range segment. Sony changed things up. The Xperia 10-7 abandons the tall 21:9 aspect ratio of prior models, moving to a more standard 19.59 and measuring 153x72x8.3mm for a lighter feel, approximately 168 to 169 G. You'll notice the new horizontal camera bar across the back, kind of reminiscent of Pixel iPhone styling recently. In real use, I found the device handled multitasking and even some lighter 3D games smoothly, though don't expect ultra-high performance like a Snapdragon 8 series. Would you pick this over Galaxy S25 Ultra? If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly tech and gaming gear updates. Thanks for watching. See you next week.